Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off charging sound and vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and here you will see charging port, that is C-type port. In this port, you have to insert a C-type cable, charging cable connected with charger or power bank, and while connecting you will receive one sound, also you will experience one vibration. Yes, I have received charging sound and vibration. If you would like to turn off this charging sound and vibration, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here just to turn off this button, charging sounds and vibration. Already it is turned on, you go to turn it off, okay, so that charging sound and vibration will not occur hereafter if you connect your phone to charger. Okay, I am checking it now. Yes, there is no sound, only it charging. Okay, here charging is showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off charging sound and vibration in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.